Right, it's time to do some welding. That's what I need. Lovely, look at that. And it's wrapped again. Ugh, how many bits of wrapping? Do we need? Oh, there we go, finally we've got, oh gosh, that is thick. That's not going too well so far. Gaffer tape again, just to stop it from unravelling. Should be there any minute. Not sure whether this is the official way of doing this. I wish I did it to start with. I want to make a handle for this door because to open it I have to grab hold of this, which as you can see flexes quite a lot. So I thought if I could weld a handle onto this part there, that'd be much nicer. The question is, what do I make a handle from? Obviously a piece of metal, a piece of steel, but where would I find a piece of steel? Well, surely somewhere in the dungeon of broken promises there will be something suitable. How about an anti-roll bar? That would do. Well, I've decided what I'm going to use as a handle, and that is, yes, an anti-roll bar. Oh gosh. There it is, that's going to be my handle. Should be certainly strong enough anyway. That's the bit, so the ends I can get to with the grinder. In my usual fashion of doing things slightly backwards, I'm going to clean it now. I should have cleaned it 2 minutes ago. Save myself from getting full of grot. Next I need to grind some paint off of this here, don't I? And now it would want is just a flattened edge on there and a bit more paint coming off, I reckon. No, the other way around. Feeling a bit excited. I haven't done any welding for a week. Not so excited that I'm not going to make a cup of tea first though. That would just be weird. That kink in the wires caused all sorts of problems, I'm afraid. Almost at the end of the problem, I think. In the meantime, the floor looks like it's covered in discarded guitar strings. I think I'm going to give up for the day because I've snapped it now, so it means I've got to start this all over again of feeding the wire through there, and hopefully it doesn't ping off.
After going home and giving up on welding responsibilities for one evening, I came back the next day feeling a little bit more positive.
Right, at last I may well have just figured this out. Well, I've bunged the neodymium magnet there and it grips so well I can't even move it with two hands. It doesn't grip at all, it's a magnet. It sticks. Does it stick? What would you call it? It attracts. Yeah, I can't move it. I've tried levering it, nothing happens. There we go. got a very unusual smell. I wasn't expecting this at all, but as it's broken up a bit, it's exposed a bit of the metal inside. And smells a bit like school dinners. Let's see if I have any better success with this today. Yeah, there's quite a lot of molten metal going into that. Will it work? Will it stay working? Smells like shoe polish. Excellent. I'm pleased with that. Oh, by the way, these tea bags are excellent. Yes, so welding, very much enjoying it. And somebody said to me the other day about I really should invest in some welding gauntlets. And that's probably true. You can't really see them, but my hands are covered in little red dots from welding splatter.